Welcome, you lovers of the motherland Africa. Today we are diving into an interesting topic, the Great Migration, nature's greatest show. Every year, over 1.5 million wildebeest, along with zebras and gazelles, migrate across the Serengeti and Masai Mara in search of fresh grazing land. This is called the Great Migration, the largest land migration on Earth. It is a breathtaking spectacle of survival, with predators like lions and crocodiles waiting along the way. It's been called the greatest wildlife show on Earth, and if you've ever seen it, you know why. Would you watch this in real life? Comment wildlife if it's on your bucket list. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.